Hi friends, today we're going to make a French style cream cheese called Gervais. So join us in the kitchen. Let's make some cheese. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make a great cream cheese. 8 cups of pasteurized non-homogenized milk, 2.5 cups of heavy cream, 1/8 a teaspoon of mesophilic culture, 4 drops of liquid rennet, 1/4 cup non-chlorinated water, 1/2 teaspoon non-iodized salt, and herbs if you wish. The first thing we're going to do is pour the milk and the cream into the pot, and you can see my kitty here. She's always in the kitchen when I'm pouring milk, and we're going to heat this slowly to 80. There she goes, slowly to 80 degrees. And if you would like to just overreach your target temperature, just walk away from this. I'm sure that's sure to happen, but you'll take this up nice and slow. I did so many shots where this cat just jumped into the video, and I threw away the video, and then I put the cat into the bedroom, and she was trying to get out of the bedroom and making all this noise, so I decided I'm going to keep her in. So meet YumYum. She's the star of the channel, and I think it works. I think she's going to be a lot of fun. Step 2 is to add the culture, sprinkle it on top, and you can stir for up to 1 minute. Step 3 is to add the rennet. Add 4 drops of rennet to 1/4 cup of non-chlorinated water. Pour the mixture into the milk and stir with an up and down motion for another minute. Place the lid on the pot and let the milk rest for 24 hours. You heard that right. 24 hours on the stove. Now we're ready to prepare the straining equipment. Cover a large metal colander with a layer of butter muslin. You can secure the muslin with rubber bands around the rim. I find this a very handy tip, because that way when you're ready to put the mixture onto the butter muslin, it won't separate or fall. Push lightly down with your hands, and this will create a dip in the butter muslin. It'll make it much easier for you to scoop in the curds. Strain the curds by ladling the mixture onto the butter muslin. Or you could carefully pour the mixture over the butter muslin, your choice. If you choose to do that, just take your time. Oh, no, not for you, off. Better clean that up. Next, we'll hang the curds. Take the corner of the butter muslin and tie the bundle to make a pouch. Run a dowel under the knot and use it to suspend the cheese over the pot. You'll anchor the other end of the pot with something heavy. Let this cheese hang for 6 hours. Step 6 is to press the cheese. Place the curds in a cheese mold lined with fresh butter muslin, and you'll place the follower on top. You can place a second follower if you need it to fit inside your press. Slip the basket into the press and tighten it down. Press it at 15 pounds for 8 hours. It's time to salt the cheese. So the first thing I would like to do is determine the yield of this cream cheese, and I'm pretty excited. This looks like I have about 1.75 pounds out of this batch, so that was a nice yield amount. I'm really happy with that. At this point, you can choose to salt the cheese just slightly, or you can salt it heavily, really whatever is your preference. Look at that. That is just beautiful. I'm going to take it out of the butter muslin, and it is a beautiful, thick, creamy paste. I'm going to start with just a small amount, because you can always salt it more, but if you over salt it, it'll be too salty. Rich, creamy, a little bit tangy, just a little bit salty. This is a beautiful batch, perfect. I can't wait to cook with it. Well, here it is, the final product, French style cream cheese. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it, and we appreciate your support. We'll see you in the next episode.